Hey, fourth grade, Humphrey, boys and girls, Humphrey Hawks. All right, so I'm coming at you guys today. These lessons are going to be a little bit different than I've done in the past. So, you know how we all learn by doing and learning and making mistakes and blah, 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 blah. Well, even teachers are learning right now, and I'm learning a lot. And so I'm learning that recording our lessons all in one thing or two things, they're really long. You guys are probably tuning me out somewhere about minute 4. Get it, no problem. So what I'm going to start doing is on this one that I'm going to go over today, I'm going to do short videos and I'm going to put the link on each slide so that you can listen to those videos as you go through the slides at your own pace. All right, so I'm coming at you guys this week for English Language Arts. We are going to focus on nonfiction text, okay? We have found more interesting ones than some of the ones we've done in the class. I know that some of the nonfiction units that we were doing, the texts were, we weren't so into them. I'm hoping you guys will be a little bit more into these ones. Mrs. Nunn worked really hard to find some interesting ones for you guys to practice nonfiction text. Okay, so we're going to focus on nonfiction text details, but we're going to talk about two things today. Two types of ways that our authors write or organize nonfiction text, okay? The first one, as if you start on this first slide, is description, okay? A nonfiction text can be organized by giving details about something. So then they give us, in this blue writing, is an example of a text written by description. Most dogs make great pets. Dogs are many different sizes and colors. They have cold, wet noses and sharp toenails. Because they are so energetic, they are great at playing catch. Dogs are a man's best friend. So, with this example text about dogs, how we can see is this text was organized and written for description purposes, okay? Meaning we can say, all right, like here in this graphic organizer down here, what's the main idea of this text? Dogs. Okay. What descriptions or what facts about dogs did they want us to know? Well, they're great pets. There's different sizes and colors, cold, wet noses, energetic, like different things. A lot of signal words that you can look for when you're reading a nonfiction text to see if the writing style is a description type text is they'll give you things like, for instance, in fact, an example, characteristics. These are just some of the key words that you can use, okay? All right, on the next slide is a text called tornadoes, okay? So you can either read the text yourself or I will have a link over on this side, a YouTube link, and I will read it out to you if you need me to. Okay, but if you don't want to hear me read you tornadoes, then just read it yourself and move on. All right, see you guys soon.